Okay, guys, I wanted to do a fast update in between the storms because it's getting really, really bad. As you can see, the sweet potatoes are going hog wild, and this little plant here was a volunteer, but I have a feeling of what it is. It's these little Chinese melons. I have received, even though it doesn't look like it from these cucumbers, but as you can tell, I have received like 10 or 12 cucumbers already. There's still more on the vine. Um, they're going nuts, so here's a bunch here. Oh, got one ready. Um, and then this is sweet potato here that's going crazy. I have tomatoes ready to go. The bean patch is very slowly taking off, so I'm going to throw some fertilizer before this next row of rain comes in and see if I can't get that moving along. I have tomatoes everywhere. My jungle. I have squash everywhere over there. And this is another cucumber plant here that I got one off of. My tomatoes went wild. They absolutely went wild. And I see a cat's been in there. I tried to stop them, but as you can tell, these tomatoes are everywhere. I got something going on there. I'm gonna have to. I can't even get into the center of the jungle. I can't do it. It's so full. Man, tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. I'm hoping for a good sauce crop. You can't even tell on this side. But again, the squash. I have ate so many squash off of that plant, been giving it away. There's one plant. As you can see, that ginormous one in there. That's just one plant. And it's crowding out my peppers. Look, I have lima beans. Finally, I have lima beans. I can't believe it. They're finally coming along. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And then those lima beans, those are doing better. But I'm going to throw some fertilizer down before this next row of rain comes through. And those sweet potatoes. I'm going to cut those vines back. They're killing my peppers. I should never have done that. My chard has come back strong. Very strong. I cut that down and made some squash and onion and threw the chard in there, and that was so good. So I'm excited. Every bit of it's grown back. Chives are wonderful as always. But let's go. Don't mind the tall grass. We've had thunderstorms every freaking day for the last week. They're killing me. Let's go over here and take a peek at the cantaloupe and watermelon plot. Looky here. I got blooms all over the place. And they're going strong. They're going strong, but whew. That guy there, he's coming out here. I don't know where he's going, but he's taking off, so that's cool. And I don't know. Poor watermelon is just not doing good. Cantaloupe's going berserk, but that's okay. I don't mind. I like cantaloupe much better than I like watermelon. It has been up in the upper 90s. It has been raining every single day, and I have not had time to even get out here and do anything except for run out in between showers and pull squash and pull peppers and pull red tomatoes that have, oh, and pull cucumbers before they burst, because that rain will put a hurt on them. But I'm going to throw some fertilizer on my bean patch and hopefully kickstart it a little further along. But as you can tell, I've got a jungle and a half. This thing's going wild. So, guys, I'll catch up with you later. I just wanted to give a fast update and let you see what was happening out here. And, hey, I'll be back up. They're saying rain every single day this week for 10 days. So, I mean, at least it's not a hurricane. For that, I'm thankful. But, someone keeps messing with my light and keeps knocking it down. But for that, I'm thankful. My plant is dying back. I should say Mama's plant. Oh, my angel keeps falling over. I bet the cats are doing that. And is this grass? Yes, that's grass. We're gonna, uh-oh, time to change that one out. We're getting rid of the grass. That is not chive. So, anyway, the cats have been playing. I will catch up with you guys later. I just wanted a fast update. Ooh, can y'all see that pepper?